People believe that Sai Baba answered prayers only when devotees spoke. But Baba listened even to silence. Because silence is not emptiness, it is surrender. In Shirdi, there lived a devotee who came to Baba every single day. He never asked for anything, no prayer, no wish, no complaint. He would sit quietly in one corner, close his eyes, and remain still. Other devotees whispered among themselves, "Why does he come daily? He doesn't even pray. Does Baba bless someone who asks nothing?" Baba heard everything. One afternoon, Baba suddenly called him. "Why do you come here every day and say nothing?" The devotee folded his hands and replied softly, "Baba, I don't know what to ask. If I ask, it may come from fear. If I stay silent, you will give what is right." Baba smiled and said words that many in Shirdi never forgot. When you don't know what to ask, that is when faith becomes complete. From that day onwards, Baba personally ensured that the devotee never lacked food, never lacked shelter, and never lacked guidance. Not because he demanded, but because he trusted. Sai Baba often taught that faith is not noise. Faith is steadiness. Many people shout prayers loudly, but their hearts tremble inside. Others remain silent, but their trust stands firm. Baba always knew whose faith was real. He once said, "I respond to the state of your heart, not the sound of your voice." In Shirdi, people came with long prayers and many promises. But Baba looked beyond words. He looked at patience. There was another incident. A mother came to Shirdi with her sick child. The doctors had given up hope. She stood before Baba, wanting to speak, but fear locked her throat. Tears rolled down her face. No words came. Baba looked at her gently and said, "Why explain what I already see?" He gave her Rudi and asked her to return home. Within days, the child began to recover. No dramatic prayer, no bargaining with God, only belief that Baba was already watching. Sai Baba never asked people to abandon effort, but he warned against anxiety. He said, "If you worry after surrendering, you have not surrendered." Faith, according to Baba, meant doing your duty and letting go of outcomes. He taught people to live normally, work honestly, serve others, and trust quietly. That was his miracle. Not spectacle, but transformation. Silence filled with trust is stronger than loud prayers filled with fear. Baba listens before you speak. True surrender begins when control ends. So tonight, when you sit quietly, ask yourself this. When you pray to Sai Baba, are you speaking because you trust him or because you are afraid to wait? Share your thoughts in the comments. Because Baba works silently, patiently, and perfectly when faith comes steady. Thanks a lot for watching. Om Sai Ram.